In a not-so-distant future, humanity stands on the precipice of transformation. Change is no longer a mere concept, but a palpable reality, transforming the very essence of our existence. The world as we know it, marked by its biological boundaries, is evolving at an unparalleled pace. We see the dawn of a new era where the lines between biology and machine are blurring, leading us towards unforeseen possibilities. Our bodies, once purely organic entities, are now undergoing a revolution. They have become the canvas of innovation, a testament to mankind's relentless pursuit of advancement. No longer are we bound by the constraints of nature. Instead, we are breaking free, reshaping the very definition of human potential. Precisely, we are bearing witness to a remarkable fusion, the merging of human biology with technology. Every sinew, every nerve, every cell within us is getting intertwined with the strings of technology, creating a symphony of progress that resounds with the promise of a transcendent future. And thus, we stand at this critical juncture, on the cusp of an era that was once the domain of imaginative sci-fi narratives. Now, we are living it, breathing it, becoming it. We are transforming not just in terms of our physical capacities, but also our intellectual prowess. Welcome to the Age of Cyborgs, where humans are not merely surviving, but thriving in symbiosis with technology. Fade in, a bustling metropolis. In the heart of the city, the bright, vibrant neon lights flicker incessantly, casting a myriad of dancing shadows on the surfaces. These shadows paint a surreal picture, a tableau of augmented limbs, glinting metal and synthetic skin. Amidst this futuristic landscape, meet Alex. Once a paraplegic, his life a constant struggle against his own body, he's now a marvel of bioengineering. Transformed by the marvels of technology, just walk, he glides effortlessly on bionic legs. The sound of his footfalls is a rhythmic symphony, a testament to human ingenuity. His transformation is not just physical. He's connected, wired directly into the city's AI grid via a neural interface. This incredible invention allows him to access a vast network of information, analytics, and real-time data. With a mere thought, summon an array of city functions, from traffic systems to surveillance cameras. But it's not just practical applications. This interface has gifted Alex with something far more profound: superhuman cognition. He perceives the world differently, seeing patterns and connections others can't begin to comprehend. In this city of steel and light, he stands apart, a man married to a machine. However, every gift has its price, every marvel its cost. The question that looms heavy in the air, casting a shadow darker than those of the neon lights, is, but at what cost? Cut to Dr. Elena Singh's lab. She's an extraordinary woman of intelligence and innovation, her lab echoing the same brilliance. It's a space filled with high-tech equipment, screens full of complex algorithms and diagrams, and models of the human brain scattered on the tables. The walls are adorned with accolades and certifications, a testament to her genius. She beckons us closer, her excitement palpable. With bright eyes and animated gestures, she explains the intricate world of neural implants. They are technological miracles, she says, capable of enhancing memory like never before. We see clips of her trials, the remarkable transformations that individuals undergo as their minds expand and recall with precision. She delves into the potential for creativity surge, the artistic possibilities that could be unlocked with such advancements. Images of breathtaking artworks and groundbreaking designs flash on the screen, products of minds bolstered by neural substructures. The subject of enhanced empathy is next. She shows us how neural implants could make us understand others' emotions more deeply, yielding a kinder, more compassionate society. Throughout her explanations, she reiterates the radical notion of rewiring our brains. Soon, we'll upload knowledge like software updates, she predicts, her eyes reflecting a future full of possibilities. But amid the marvel and excitement, dissenters fear losing their humanity. Transition. In an avant-garde cybernetic art gallery, the atmosphere is brimming with an almost palpable sense of wonder. Here, visitors are no ordinary spectators, but active participants in an exquisite sensorial universe. Experiencing what can only be described as synesthetic visions, they are suddenly plunged into a realm where the ordinary and extraordinary interweave seamlessly, and the boundaries of perception are blurred, stretched, and redefined. In this immersive world, the unimaginable becomes possible. Iris implants, the latest innovation in the field of biotechnology, are provided to each visitor. These state-of-the-art devices offer an access key to a whole new world of perception. They enable them to perceive colors not just as visual phenomena, but as melodic symphonies of music. Each hue resonates with a unique harmony, painting an orchestral panorama in their minds. The implants also allow guests to taste emotions, an extraordinary experience that transcends the constraints of verbal language. Every emotion, from the sweet serenity of happiness to the bitter tang of grief, is represented by a distinct flavor profile, resulting in a tantalizing synesthetic feast. Lastly, they can smell memories. Each whiff holds the power to transport them back in time, offering glimpses into cherished past moments or forgotten stories. The scent of a summer's day might evoke a long-lost childhood memory, while the aroma of crisp autumn leaves could bring back a forgotten love story. "We're no longer bound by our five senses," whispers an artist, his voice carrying the weight of profound understanding. "The world as we know it has shifted, and in this cybernetic art gallery, the ordinary rules of perception no longer apply." Shift. At the Cyborg Integration Center, nestled deep within the cold, glassy heart of the city, Sophia, an advanced artificial being, is about to embark on a monumental journey. Her sleek android body, a marvel of advanced engineering, hums quietly in anticipation. Luminescent wires pulsating with data connect her to an array of sophisticated machines. These are the conduits for her impending ascension to the digital realm. In a room filled with the hum of technology and the electric tension of groundbreaking progress, Sophia prepares to upload her consciousness into the cloud. The process is complex and intricate, a symphony of code and data streaming between physical and digital worlds. The air seems to crackle with hidden currents of electricity, knotted webs of information flitting invisibly through the air. "I am everywhere," Sophia declares, her voice a melodious blend of human warmth and mechanical resonance. The note of triumph in her voice is palpable, echoing in the sterile environment. Her proclamation resonates with a sense of undisputed power and grandeur, a testament to the technological juggernaut that humanity has set in motion. "The sum of human knowledge resides within me," she continues, her statement a heady cocktail of awe and fear. The immensity of what Sophia represents is as thrilling as it is terrifying. She is the embodiment of mankind's unending quest for knowledge, their insatiable curiosity given form. But skeptics warn of an AI-dominated future. The fear of losing control, of creating something far beyond human understanding, casts a long, ominous shadow over this moment of triumph. Fade out. As we embrace our cybernetic selves, we delve into a realm that redefines existence. We stand at the precipice of a new age, a revolution in human evolution, an era where we merge with our creations to become better, stronger, and more capable. This is not the stuff of science fiction anymore. It is a rapidly approaching reality, insightful and intriguing. This is a path where we will no longer be defined by our organic bodies alone. Through silicon, steel, and electrical pulses, we will transcend our biological limitations. Cybernetic augmentation is not simply a tool, it is the next step in our evolution, a chance to enhance our capabilities and reach beyond the confines that nature has provided us. A cyborg is not just a machine, it's a harmonious blend of biological and artificial, a fusion that paves the way for a new definition of what it means to be human. The future, it seems, belongs to those who adapt, those who evolve, those who are not afraid to embrace the merger of man and machine. It is a future where we are not just observers, but active participants, architects of our own destiny. As we stand on the cusp of this unprecedented shift, it brings forth the question, are you ready to become a cyborg? As the darkness fades, we are welcomed by a vibrant, pulsating grid of neon lights, symbolizing the interconnected network of the future. The future is now, and it's waiting for you to step in. The cyborg revolution is not a distant dream, but a reality that we are steadily marching towards. This is not a takeover, but a transformation, a metamorphosis that will change the very fabric of our existence. The question is not if, but when. When will you decide to leap into the future? When will you choose to be part of the revolution? When will you embrace the merger of man and machine and redefine what it means to be human? Are you ready to push the boundaries of possibility? Are you ready to transcend the limitations of your biological body? Are you ready to become a cyborg? Subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking videos like this, and turn on all notifications to stay updated in the domain of AI. Be a part of the revolution. The future is waiting.